Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix having low FPS problem and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. And if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. So let's dive into the solution. The first one is all about you have to close unnecessary task which is running in the task manager. So to do this, you just have to go over here and right click and navigate to task manager if you're on Windows 10. Then you just have to go over here, and as you can see, you'll be having things which is running in the background right now. So you have to end the task which is unnecessary for you. You can do this by pressing over here, right click, and you just can go for end task, and that will happen in between. So this is the first step which you have to try out. After trying this out, if it's not working, then we have solution number 2. Solution number 2 is all about you have to update your graphic drivers. So to do this, you just have to go over here and you have to search for device manager. I have already searched it, so you just have to click on this one. Now from here, you just have to navigate to display and adapters. There is AMD Radeon RX 5700, so you just have to right click on this one, go for update driver and go for search automatically for drivers. This is what you have to do. Now you just have to close this up and you have to see what's the next solution. So next solution is all about, it is step 3, and it is about change system power plan. So to do this, you just have to press Windows and R key all together on your keyboard. So you'll be getting a run command like this, and over here you have to search control and you have to go for OK. Now from here you just have to go over here. From here you just have to click on power options. Now from here you just have to click on over here. As you can see, this being set into this one, so it is on set to high performance. So you can change this to, from the preferred plan, you can change this to either high performance. You can change this to anyone according to it. Basically this has to be in the high performance, and make sure this is on the high performance. Okay, this is what you have to do. After trying this out, you have to check with the game, and even if it's having the FPS problem, then we just have to move to the next one, which is all about you have to reinstall the game. So you just have to reinstall the game and you have to check, and most probably by doing these simple steps the issue has to be fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.